breakup is also manifested by you, and the patch up will also be manifested by you. So, the action, what kind of action you need to take when it comes to love is that you need to, uh, in psychology also, whatever you become as a person, it's because of your mindset, your
Exactly.
thoughts.
नमस्कार। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट खुशी एंड अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है नमा टॉक्स को तो कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कीजिए अगर आपको कोई अपडेट मिस नहीं करना। नाउ फॉर दिस एपिसोड वी हैव मिस विनुदा। शी इज अ मैनिफेस्टेशन एक्सपर्ट एंड इट्स आवर ऑनर कि आप हमारे साथ आए हैं इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए। हमारी ऑडियंस तक मैनिफेस्टेशन के वर्ल्ड को पहुंचाएंगे आज आप। तो मैम जस्ट टेल अबाउट योरसेल्फ, व्हाट डू यू डू, आप क्या करते हैं एंड आप इस मैनिफेस्टेशन वाले वर्ल्ड में कैसे आए?
Oh, hello everyone. Namaste. I am Vinata. Definitely, I can tell that I am a manifestation expert because after teaching manifestation for almost like 2.5 years now, experiencing everything, um, I know that this world is real. And manifestation, people may think it's magic and all of those things. It is all about mind. And I entered this world because I saw some truth. And after teaching people for almost 2.5 years now, I can guarantee it is definitely the truth.
Okay, with you think it's a fact कि it will happen to everybody.
100%. Everybody who are dedicated to put their 100% and work on themselves and their mind and their mindset. You are also a psychologist, Kushi. I saw
Yeah.
in the last podcast. You know how our brain works, our mind
Yeah.
works. It's definitely 100% truth, and it's amazing.
ओके तो मैम लास्ट 2-3 सालों में ये मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्ड एकदम से उठा है। उससे पहले पीपल डिडंट नो अबाउट इट मच,
Yeah.
इतना लोग नहीं जानते थे।
Correct.
लाइक आई डोंट नो क्यों एकदम से ये वर्ड इतना उठा एंड क्यों इतना लोग इसको प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, बट कुछ लोग अभी भी नहीं जानते।
Correct.
तो आप उनके लिए समझाइए इजी वर्ड्स में कि मैनिफेस्टेशन होता क्या एग्जैक्टली?
Actually, you see, if you type in Google or if you go to any dictionary, manifestation, they have simply written that something theoretical made real. Okay, that's just a dictionary word. But as you said, I also came to know about manifestation through YouTube first. I didn't know anything because I just entered the spiritual world. Maybe started just with the what are chakras and kundalini and all
अच्छा।
of those things, and then so on. As I went through, I found something called as manifestation. So if you ask me, you also came to know manifestation maybe
या
through Instagram?
या एक्चुअली
Through Instagram. So everybody, my parents, everybody are like, oh, everybody are telling manifestation.
हाँ
Each and every person, 60 year, 70 year old people are teaching manifestation. Simple word is in social media terms, if I can say, is getting what you want. You have a desire, you
या
have a wish, you have an intention. It is nothing but using your mind with focused and believing in those intentions and getting into the reality. This is simple, manifestation words in layman.
ठीक है, बेसिकली आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जो हम चाहते हैं,
Yes,
जो हमारे माइंड में हमारा एक थॉट है कि हमें ये चाहिए,
correct.
उस चीज को रियलिटी में बदलना इज
Yes,
मैनिफेस्टेशन।
absolutely.
तो ये मैं पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा मैनिफेस्टेशन में बिलीव करती हूँ
Very
बिकॉज़ आई हैव मैंने उसकी पावर को फ़ील किया है।
Hmm.
मैंने कई बार कई चीज़ें ऐसे सोची है कि हाँ, मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए
Hmm.
और वो मेबी 6 महीने बाद या 8 महीने बाद बट वो मेरे साथ हुआ है।
Correct.
आई डोंट नो ये काम कैसे करता है, हाउ
Hmm.
डज़ इट वर्क, इसका क्या प्रोसेस है,
Hmm.
कैसा सही तरीका है, क्या
Hmm.
गलत तरीका है,
Hmm.
बट ये होता है।
Yes.
तो मेरे को ये जानना है कि क्या कोई सही टाइम या कोई सही जगह है कि मैनिफेस्ट करना अगर किसी चीज़ को, तो कोई एक सही प्रोसेस है, कोई एक हैबिट्स होनी चाहिए जो हमें फॉलो करनी चाहिए उसके लिए, ऐसा कुछ भी होता है?
Uh, can you stop thinking, Kushi?
नहीं।
No, you
नो।
think all the time,
या
right? Every single minute, every single time. You are in Noida now, correct?
हाँ,
So if you go to Delhi, can you stop thinking? If you
नो,
go to Dubai, can you stop thinking?
माइंड इज़ ऑलवेज़ वर्किंग।
Absolutely. So manifestation is all about the thoughts that's going to be expressed in the reality. Okay, you told me before 8 months you were thinking something and it happened
Yeah.
and all of those things. Whatever you think constantly, okay,
Hmm.
or even if you think once with complete focus and with the burning desire, it's going to happen because you are also going to take certain action towards it unconsciously.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
so there is no time. Okay, time is irrelevant when it comes to manifestation.
अच्छा.
And because you see, you cannot stop thinking,
हाँ.
correct? So manifestation or time is absolutely irrelevant. And I have to say that manifestation is a lifestyle.
अच्छा.
Correct. Because you cannot stop thinking. So if you want to get a good lifestyle, you think good for yourself. So manifestation is absolutely lifestyle. There is no time, there is no place um, to manifest anything. All you have to do is focus on your thoughts.
अच्छा, जो हम सोच रहे हैं उस पे ध्यान दें बेसिकली।
Absolutely.
तो क्या हम अपने सपनों में भी मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं?
Yeah, everything. That is also when you're watching TV, when you are, eating, when you are drinking, when you're talking to your friends, when you're sleeping, you think all the time.
हुँ।
You think all the time, consciously or unconsciously, you are thinking. That means to say you are manifesting in your dreams also.
तो बेसिकली अगर हम कुछ गलत भी सोच रहे हैं,
Hmm.
किसी और के बारे में या अपने बारे में भी,
Hmm.
तो क्या हम वो भी मैनिफेस्ट कर लेते हैं?
100%.
तो मतलब हमें सोचने पे ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हम क्या सोच रहे हैं।
Correct. The thing is what it's about your dominant thoughts. You as a psychologist, there is a conscious mind, there is a subconscious mind.
हुँ।
So whatever you impress your subconscious mind, it is going to happen in your reality. Doesn't mean that once if I say, oh, I look ugly, you don't become ugly, the next moment itself. But if you be like, oh, I am looking ugly, and then you go to your mother and be like, oh, mom, I'm really so bad at looking, and then you go and tell your friends, no, I don't really look good, even if
हुँ,
they compliment
हुँ,
also, oh, is it, do I really look good? No,
हुँ।
I don't think so.
सेल्फ डाउट।
Yeah, so you tell it so many times that it becomes a thought to you, or it impress your subconscious mind, and it's going to come in the reality. It's not that one side and it's going to happen. No. If you tell that you're a billionaire once, you don't become a billionaire once. You have to keep brainwashing yourself, and then it's going to happen.
तो इट्स लाइक मैनिपुलेट करना अपने ही दिमाग को।
I can tell that's absolutely the right word. You're
अच्छा,
manipulating yourself. You're not manipulating anybody else but yourself.
तो अपने दिमाग के साथ खेलना,
Yeah.
बार-बार अपने आप को बिलीव कराना,
Yeah.
यकीन कराना कि हाँ,
Correct.
ये होगा।
Correct.
तो वो बेसिकली हम खुद ही प्रोजेक्ट कर देते हैं आगे कि
Correct.
इतनी बार हमने बोल दिया तो हम ऐसे ही एक्ट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ही बिहेव कर रहे हैं कि वही चीज़ हो।
Yes.
एंड
Yes.
दैट इज़ व्हाट मैनिफेस्टेशन इज़।
Absolutely.
अच्छा।
So because as you said, thinking once, it may happen sometimes, like, I want to go to Dubai or I want to go to London. You just think
हाँ।
once, it may happen because you do not have the resistance towards it. Maybe you think that, oh, my parents are very rich and it's easy for me.
हाँ।
So it's going to happen, like, as you said, within 3 or 4 months or so.
हुँ।
But if a person who is very poor and thinking for him, like to go to London or somewhere, it's a huge thing.
हाँ।
So he has to think maybe 100 times, 200 times that, yes, I can go to London. It's possible. And it will, take some time for him to make it happen. So it all depends on each and every person's mind. For some people, it is very easy just to think once and make it happen. And
हुँ।
for some people, it's very difficult.
तो आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को कैसे लाइक व्हाट डू यू डू कि आप अपने आपके जो क्लाइंट्स आते हैं आपके
हुँ।
पास कि मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए लाइफ में,
Hmm.
तो क्या प्रैक्टिस करते हैं आप या
हुँ।
क्या आप करवाते हैं अपने क्लाइंट से कि
हुँ।
वो ऐसा मैनिफेस्ट करें और
हुँ।
फिर उनके साथ वो हो?
Hmm. So as I told you, like each and every people are different, and
हुँ।
each and every people's past is different.
हैं।
Each and every people's, the way they have grown, their surroundings, what their parents have taught, everything is different. You, as a psychologist, know that whenever you are a child from 0 to 7 years of age,
हुँ।
whatever the child has accepted and adapted, that is what the majority of the times they are going to be as a adult.
Hmm.
So when a person comes to me, for example, if a person have come to me for a relationship advice,
ठीक है.
and her person is literally very horrible, means to say they were in a relationship for 5 years and they had a lot of fight and arguments, and the breakup was very horrible. 3 years of reprogramming in the relationship, like constant fighting, constant
Hmm.
arguments. It's not as easy as a person who comes and says that, hey, you know what, we are still together, but we are having small fights. Two different situations, correct?
Correct.
So when these two kind of people come to me, I have to tackle them differently because they have different kinds of mindset. They have different kinds of traumas going on
हाँ.
inside them. So based on the situation and based on the people's mindset, I give different routines, because maybe for some people visualization work.
हाँ.
Okay, but some people visualization is very difficult.
बहुत
You
डिफिकल्ट होती है कई लोगों के लिए.
correct, because they'll be like, ma'am, when I think this, something
कुछ
else
और आ
come.
जाता है दिमाग में.
Absolutely. So it's very difficult. So that's why I say people be with me for some time. At least take
अच्छा.
like 4 or 5 sessions, because it's not a magic, right? Just in one session, you will be healed and you will, manifest everything. I need to know what the person is. I need to know what works for them. I need to know that if, I need to give some routines for them. And when they come back, I need to check that, oh, this is the difficulty she's having. Then
Then
maybe she can try something else. And, then they'll figure out, oh, this is the best thing that works for me.
अच्छा.
I need to focus on this.
It's a long-term relationship
Yes,
with you.
yeah, definitely people are there with me for 2 years consistently, not because they have not got anything. They have got what they want, but still they want to manifest something
They
better.
want more.
They want more. Everybody needs a guide. Every guru needs a guru. Every person needs a guide, because we need that push. Then only when we have that push and that, someone giving that certainty, it's possible. It's very easy to achieve.
तो यू बेसिकली आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को
Hmm.
ट्रेन करते हो
Hmm.
कि वो अपने दिमाग को कंट्रोल करें,
Yeah.
वो ऐसे थॉट्स लाएं जिससे वो रियलिटी बना सके जो
Hmm.
वो चाहते हैं, जो उनकी ड्रीम है उसको
Hmm.
रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.
Hmm.
और वो सोचते हैं, विजुअलाइजेशन जैसे कहा आपने. और क्या टेक्निक होती है इसमें?
There is visualization, there is affirmation, there is scripting, there is
अच्छा.
EFT,
हाँ.
and emotional freedom tapping, and there is mirror work.
अच्छा.
Okay, there is deep meditations which you can go for. There is n number of meditations available for different kinds of
अच्छा.
things. And what else? Subliminals.
अच्छा.
Subliminals. All
हाँ.
of those things are very much effective. But the problem with people is that they be like, okay, they come to me and they be like, ma'am, when am I going to get the result?
हाँ.
Just imagine if a person is like 150 kgs,
Fine.
is it possible for him to become 60 kgs overnight?
Obviously
Not,
not.
right? Because you see, maybe that person has become 150 kgs from childhood, or recently
हाँ.
he has put on, he has his own beliefs. Oh, I am 150 kgs.
हाँ.
And maybe he has been fat shamed since
Hmm.
childhood. Everything will be in their mind. Becoming from 150 to 60 is a process.
हाँ.
And definitely the gym trainer has a role in it. But
हाँ.
who has to do the work?
The person.
The person. So I will do my best. Definitely, yes. But who has to do the bestest? There is no such word, but still.
हाँ.
Correct? Who has to give their 100% and more? The client, the person.
किसी भी गोल के लिए फिजिकल जो बेसिकली हम वर्क
हाँ.
कर रहे हैं कि अगर हमें वेट लूज करना है
हाँ.
तो हम जिम कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
या हमें एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी करनी है तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं.
हम्म.
बट फिजिकल वर्क से ज्यादा एक मेंटल वर्क की जो जरूरत होती है,
Yeah.
जो पीछे चल रहा है कि
Correct.
दिमाग अगर सही नहीं है तो ना
Correct.
हम जिम कर सकते हैं, ना हम पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं,
Correct.
ना हम कुछ और अचीव कर सकते
Yeah.
हैं. तो वो उस माइंड को उसमें में ट्रेन करना पड़ता है कि आप वो कर सके काम.
Yes. Similarly, as I told you, the weight loss, first thing is that person has to decide, conscious decision.
हाँ.
कि हाँ, मैं 150 kgs, I am 150
हाँ.
kgs now, and no matter what, I have to become 60.
हम्म.
Correct? If you don't decide anything, is it possible for you to reach there?
Obviously not.
No. that is a conscious decision you're making, that no matter what, I will become 60 kgs. Correct? Then after that, he has to take some action.
हाँ
He has to go to gym, and he cannot be like, oh, one day I will go to gym, and next day I will become 60 kg. No,
हाँ
he has to go to gym
Every
every
day.
single day. Okay. And you see, as you said, they will fix in their mind, how do I look when I am
Yeah.
going to be 60 kgs? Every single day they
वो
practice.
visualization हो गया
Yeah,
imagery
unconsciously. This is not what I'm talking about, a person who knows manifestation. There are
Hmm.
people who don't know manifestation, and unconsciously also they are manifesting the same thing.
हाँ
They visualize themselves, oh, after like 3 months I will look like this.
हाँ
Consistently every single day.
रोज जाके मिरर के आगे देखना मेरा पेट कम हुआ
हाँ,
मेरा वेट कम हुआ
correct. Every single day while they get up, they be like, yes, I am going to be 60 kgs.
Hmm.
While having food, oh, I am going to be 60
Hmm.
kgs. It's a process.
Hmm.
Correct? So just because they come and take coaching with me for 1 or 2 day, the 2 day, I've seen transformation with them also,
Hmm.
definitely. But long-term practice, it's a lifestyle, as I said.
हाँ
Every single day when you practice, if a person goes to gym and again he eats junk next day,
Hmm.
what is going to happen? Is going to go back to the same thing again.
exactly
Similarly, there's something called as mental diet.
हाँ
Correct? There's a word which was given by Neville Goddard. It's called mental diet. So what do you do? How you are eating your clean food, you're going to feed only clean things to your mind.
ओके ना बुरा सुनो
Correct.
ना बुरा देखो वाले
Yes.
senses
Correct. Only everything about the senses, everything about what you're feeding in your mind. If you say that you're ugly, you should stop there and be like, what am I talking to myself?
ओके
I am not ugly. I am beautiful. So it's very important to keep your mental diet clean and also have a very good inner conversation, because you see, most of the time, maybe when you're watching TV or anything, there is nobody else for you to talk in.
Hmm.
You're always talking to yourself.
Hmm.
So it's very important to have a good inner conversation with yourself.
ठीक है तो आपने जो बताया मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में अभी तक तो बेसिक गोल सबका यही होता है कि जो डिजायर्स हैं वो अचीव करना है हमें
Yeah.
जो हम चाहते हैं हमें वो चाहिए
Hmm.
तो किस टाइप की डिजायर्स या फिर चाहत
हाँ.
पूरी हो सकती है मैनिफेस्टेशन से क्या टाइप्स है उसके
Um, I can say that everything is possible, definitely, but there are no types as such.
अच्छा
Any person, if he desires something,
हम्म,
not only desire, if he have a burning desire,
हाँ,
he's definitely going to manifest that.
ठीक
Okay,
है
but desire is not only enough to manifest something. You need to take action. Correct?
हाँ
For example, if a person wants a job,
ठीक है
what he will decide, oh, I want a job.
हम्म,
Okay. And after that, first comes thought, next come action.
Action.
Correct? So he will be like, oh, I know that I'm going to get a job. Second comes belief in achieving that job. Correct?
अच्छा
So he must think that yes, it is possible for me to achieve that job.
ठीक
Correct? After that, can he just sit?
नहीं
He has to apply
Has
for
to.
the interviews. Correct? He cannot just be like, oh, it's going to be possible and it's going to happen and all of those things. Sometimes without actions also things happen, but most of the times it's important to take action.
तो बेसिकली डिजायर या थॉट के बाद एक्शन
Yeah.
फिर रिजल्ट
Correct.
तो हम वो एक्शन वाला जो स्टेज है वो स्किप होगा ही नहीं वो कर ही नहीं सकते
Correct.
कई लोग चाहते हैं कि मैंने सोचा या मैंने चाहा और मुझे वो मिल गया
Correct.
बट जो बीच का स्टेज है कि हमें एक्ट करना उसके लिए वो चीज मिस कर देते हैं कई लोग
Correct. See, for example, when it comes to a specific person, there is no need to. A specific person is very booming topic.
Right.
It's called as SP. So when it comes to that, you don't have to take any physical action. Okay.
स्पेसिफिक पर्सन मतलब क्या कह रहे हैं
My channel is all about manifesting love
हाँ
and
जी।
all of those things. Specific person is nothing but your relationship interest or a love interest.
अच्छा द
Okay,
पर्सन जो
हाँ.
मुझे पसंद है
Yes, a
Okay.
person you like, or maybe a person is having an ex and he or she
Okay.
wants to manifest them back and all of
Okay.
those things. But when it comes to that, there is no need to take certain actions.
अच्छा
Okay. So in to say physical action towards that person. But when it comes to specific person, the action which you need to take is towards you. Correct? What kind of action? If a person is going through breakup, how will she be? Can you say? You might have seen your friends going through breakup and all of those things.
मैंने इसमें 2 तरह के लोग देखे हैं,
हाँ,
या तो वो बिल्कुल ही रोना-धोना
हाँ,
एंड गिव अप होप एंड ऑल। कहीं लोग ऐसे हो जाते हैं जो खुद पे वर्क करते हैं,
हाँ,
ग्रो करना चाहते हैं कि
करेक्ट,
मैं इन चीज़ों में नहीं पड़ूँगा।
करेक्ट.
तो आई फील यही 2 टाइप के लोग होते हैं ब्रेकअप के बाद।
Absolutely. The second type which you told, that is the action which you need to take, but not like I will not get this person. I
हाँ,
will get this person because everybody is a mirror reflection of you. Correct? If you love yourself,
हाँ,
others are going to love you.
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
If you respect yourself, others are going to respect you.
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
If you prioritize yourself, others are going to be like, oh, she is what. Correct? So these are the type of actions which you need to take when it comes to specific person.
बट इफ वी हेट आवरसेल्व्स तो अदर्स पर्सन इज़ गोइंग टू हेट अस।
Absolutely, that's what happens with the breakup, right? They be like, okay, you know what? Maybe something is happening behind, and this person doesn't like me, and maybe the interest is over. They keep telling the same thing over
हाँ,
and over again.
हाँ,
And that's how maybe after 3 or 4 months down the lane, same thing happens.
हाँ,
So everybody starts with you. You had taken that action in thinking that maybe this person doesn't love me.
एंड वो मैनिफेस्ट हो जाता है।
Yeah.
ठीक है।
The breakup is also manifested by you, and the patch up will also be manifested by you. So, the action, what kind of action you need to take when it comes to love is that you need to start putting yourself priority. You need to love yourself. You need to give that love which you're seeking from your specific
एंड
person, because nobody is ever going to love you, Kushi, like till the end. The only person who is responsible for your happiness will
इज़
be you.
हाँ,
Will be absolutely you. Even if you get married, you have a kid, have a grandkid or whatever it is, they can't be the source of your happiness.
हाँ।
You are the source of your
किसी और
happiness.
इंसान को अपनी हैप्पीनेस का सोर्स बनाना इज़ द
Yeah.
आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी गलती हम वही करते हैं।
Yeah, that is why people after they break up, they are not happy. They are sad.
हाँ, लोनली।
Sad and lonely because they think that the other person is going to come and fix you and then you're going to be fine. So this is the main thing which I teach people, because just because someone come to me for manifestation,
हुँ,
manifesting SP,
हाँ,
um, my main focus will be on them, because if they are not focusing on them, then the relationship is not going to sustain. Even if the
हुँ।
person comes back, it's not going to
तो
sustain.
अगर कोई लव इश्यू या
Hmm.
रिलेशनशिप इश्यू होता है एंड वो
Hmm.
कुछ मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं किसी इंसान को या एक्स को या किसी फ्यूचर को,
Hmm.
तो उनका पहला स्टेप यही होना चाहिए
Hmm.
कि दे शुड लव देमसेल्व्स
Yeah.
फर्स्ट। वो अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करे तो
Hmm.
प्यार अपने आप आ जाएगा।
Correct. Absolutely. See, I can give a very simple analogy for you. So, if the foundation is not strong,
हुँ,
what happens to the building?
ऑब्वियसली वो खड़ी नहीं रह सकती।
Absolutely, it will fall. So, the basis of your love is your self concept.
अच्छा,
So,
हाँ, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में तो वो
correct,
है
correct.
क्या?
See, the thing with self concept is that, for example, when it comes to love, what do you think about love? Do you think love is easy?
नो इट्स नॉट।
Do you think love is difficult? Do you think I won't get love? Do you think marriage is, difficult? Do you think that nowadays you see everybody are just keep on telling that, hey, you shouldn't fall in a relationship
हाँ,
because, love is, just a fake thing and it's not true.
केमिकल्स।
And uh, everybody, they're even scared to get married because of the hype of divorce that's happening around.
हाँ,
Correct? So people are having self-concept now that love is difficult. Marriage is difficult.
सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट है क्या?
So,
सिंपल लैंग्वेज में।
yeah, the same thing. You have to, when you know that love is easy, okay, that's a self-concept. It's going to be easy for you to tell that, maybe let's take Akshay.
ठीक है,
Akshay loves me.
ठीक
Akshay
है।
is madly in love with me. Akshay is deeply in love with me. Correct? It's going to be easy for you to tell that. But if you think that no, love is very difficult for me, can you think that Akshay, it's going to be very difficult for them to tell that Akshay loves me, and then be like, oh, you know what? But love is so difficult. So the relationship won't sustain. So self
ठीक है
concept is nothing but a concept of yourself in respect to different areas of your life. Example, I'll come to money. If you think that money is easy for you, you may get money from anywhere.
ओके
Okay, if you tell that money is easy for me, you can aram se tell that, oh, I earn 15 lakhs per month. Correct?
ओके
I earn 20 lakhs per month. It's easy for you to tell because your self concept about money is good.
अच्छा मतलब सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट ये हुआ कि हम क्या सोचते हैं
हाँ.
उस अपनी लाइफ के अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में
Yes.
चाहे वो लव हो
Yes.
मैरिज हो
Yes.
मनी हो गया
Yeah.
हेल्थ हो गई तो उस चीज के बारे में हमारी क्या सोच है
Yes.
इज आर सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट
Yes. So if your self concept is strong, it's going to be easy for you to achieve something, particular.
अच्छा तो हम अगर अच्छा सोचते हैं तो हमारे लिए इजी होगा उसको अचीव करना बट
Correct.
अगर हम बुरा सोचते हैं उसी के बारे में तो हम उस चीज के साथ प्रॉब्लम फेस करेंगे
Correct. So if someone thinks that, love is difficult for me,
हाँ,
suppose, fine, they have affirmed that Akshay loves me, Akshay is calling
हाँ,
me, Akshay is dating me, and whatever it is.
हाँ,
If Akshay comes to their life
हाँ,
and now they are having, good conversation,
हाँ,
okay, the self concept of that girl is, love is not easy for her.
वो ऐसा
She's going
सोचती है
to face the same problem again with Akshay since her self
हाँ
concept is not good. Okay, but if she be like, oh, I love, being in a relationship. Relationship is easy for me. Everything flows around saying in the relationship. When that person Akshay comes to her life, it's going to be really easy to maintain the relationship. So self-concept is not required to manifest something in your life.
अच्छा
But self-concept is required to sustain that, manifestation in your life.
ओके मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि लव मेरे लिए डिफिकल्ट है
हम्म,
बट मैं मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ लव
हम्म,
एंड मैंने कर लिया मेरे को
हम्म,
मिल भी गया बट
हम्म,
अगर मैं फिर भी यही सोचती हूँ कि लव डिफिकल्ट है
हम्म.
तो मैं खुद ही अपनी रिलेशनशिप खराब कर लूंगी
Absolutely.
मैं खुद ही
Absolutely.
ऐसे सोचूंगी अगर लड़ाई हो रही है तो आई
Hmm.
रन अवे कि क्योंकि डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए लव
Correct. Correct.
तो जो मेरी सोच है उस चीज को
Hmm.
लेके जो मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट है लव को लेके वो अपने आप उस चीज को खराब कर देगा
Yeah, very simple thing. Every man cheats.
हाँ
Correct. This is the self concept which the society has put
हाँ
on every girl. Okay. Now she believes that because everybody keeps telling around her.
हाँ,
So now what you can do is that, I have my own mind. I have my own, consciousness. I
हाँ,
can change this. Men are always loyal to me.
हाँ,
Correct? Now the self concept is easy for her.
हाँ
So any man entering the person's life,
हाँ
it's very strong in her mind that the men are loyal to her. So this person who comes to her life is going to stay loyal forever.
अच्छा
So that is why self concept is really.
तो हम जो सोच रहे हैं सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट के थ्रू
Hmm.
वो भी हम मैनिफेस्ट कर लेते हैं बेसिकली
Absolutely.
है
Yeah.
ना
So sometimes that's why, self concept is just enough to manifest anything in your life. Or you don't have to affirm that I am 50 kgs, I earn 15 lakh per
हम्म,
month. Just knowing that I am beautiful is more than enough. I'm a millionaire is more than enough. That
ओके
belief is more than enough.
ओके
Yeah. Yeah.
तो क्या हम पैसा भी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग तो हमारी लाइफ में पैसा ही है
Absolutely. Paisa is the easiest thing to
हाउ टू डू इट
manifest.
मेरे को भी जानना है
It's the most easiest thing to manifest. But see, I'll tell you a very simple story. Okay.
ठीक है
You may have heard this story called as Rich Dad and Poor Dad.
हाँ इट्स द बुक
Correct? It's a book. And I will not go the story by the book. I will just tell a simple story.
ठीक है
So, if a child is born in a poor family,
हम्म,
correct? What's the mindset of a child?
थोड़ा सा पॉवर्टी वाला एंड हेल्ड
Correct.
बैक
Correct. So it's going to be very difficult for a child to, a person who has come from the poor background to think that, hey, money is easy for me.
हाँ
Or money, I can earn like crores and crores of money.
हम्म,
But when it comes to a rich person, a rich child, a rich
हम्म,
kid, dad will buy him anything he wants.
सो ही थिंक्स कि पैसा बहुत इजी है आना
Yeah, paisa bahut easy hai na. Plus he will think that I will get anything I want.
हाँ
I will get anything I want and desire. That's the self concept the child has, rich child has. So sometimes when you are trying to manifest money and all of
well,
those things, it should start with your self concept, and it should
अच्छा
be like, oh, money is easy for me, money is getting money is effortless for me, and I get everything I want and desire. When you start telling all this thing and you work on your self concept for a
हम्म,
certain period of time, then when you tell that I earn 5 lakhs per month, okay,
हम्म,
maybe in the first month you may not get it.
but maybe in future.
Maybe in the first month you may not get
हाँ
it. If you don't get in the first month, you may be like, oh, this is not possible.
हम्म,
This is very difficult for me. This is not possible. Manifestation is bullshit.
हम्म,
I should stop doing this.
हम्म,
Correct? But then maybe after 2 months, if you persist, only if you persist, not if you give up, only if you persist, you may earn like 2 or 3 lakhs.
अच्छा
Okay. And now it's very easy for the mind to accept that, yes, thoda to
और आ सकता है
aa sakta
ये आ गया तो और आ सकता
hai.
है
Correct. It's going to be very easy for the mind to accept that, yes, I can. It's possible.
हाँ
And now if you give up again, you won't have it. But if you persist again, that okay, I will do it consistently. I will take some actions.
हम्म,
I am earning 5 lakhs per month. You're gonna have it.
तो जैसे हमारी ऑडियंस जो घर बैठी
Hmm.
हुई है
Hmm.
एंड उनको मेरे को पर्सनली अगर पैसा मैनिफेस्ट
Hmm.
करना है तो क्या 2-3 टिप्स जो आप देना चाहेंगे हाउ कैन वी डू इट?
First thing is, you can robotically affirm that, I am earning this much. It's the easiest way.
रोबोटिकली अफर्म एज़
Yeah,
इन
robotic affirmation is a technique which is there in law of assumption, that you are consistently telling something non-stop
अच्छा,
without believing it.
अच्छा।
Okay, because a person who is a housewife, she is not working. It's
हुँ,
going to be difficult for her to believe that she's
हुँ,
getting 20,000 per month.
हुँ,
Correct? So there is no need to believe your affirmations. You just have to robotically tell that I am earning 20,000, I am earning
अच्छा,
40,000. Okay? And just try this.
ओके,
Just try this. Whoever is watching,
आई विल
whoever
आल्सो ट्राई इट।
whoever wants to manifest just random money, try this. Simply tell I'm earning 20,000 non-stop without even worrying how and when it's going to come.
अच्छा,
You'll see it will come. Because it's about your repeating thoughts. You see,
हाँ,
the more you're repeating the same thing, it's going to happen.
ओके,
Correct?
अगेन थॉट्स।
Yeah. So, very simple technique maybe to manifest money, because people think it's, oh, how will I get money and all of those things. You don't have to complicate and visualize this much amount
हुँ,
of money is coming in. You simply affirm that I am having this much amount of money. I am earning this much. I got this much amount of money. It's going to definitely
अच्छा,
come.
आपने लॉ ऑफ असम्पशन बोला
Hmm.
अभी,
Hmm.
तो वो क्या होता है?
Um, do you know about law of attraction?
हाँ,
Can
कि
you tell me a little bit
बेसिकली
about it?
वी अट्रैक्ट व्हाट वी डिज़ायर।
Hmm. So, what is law of assumption? As the name says, whatever you assume to be true, it's
वो
gonna
होगा,
happen.
तो जो
Yeah.
मैं सोच रही हूँ कि
Yes.
ऐसा है, वो होगा।
Yes.
ओके,
So basically, even I started with law of attraction.
अच्छा,
Okay. You see the book Secret.
अच्छा,
Secret book was very famous in
हाँ,
2000s, written by Rhonda Bryan,
हुँ,
and everybody started watching the movies and started
हुँ,
reading the book of Rhonda Bryan and all of those things. I also started with that.
अच्छा,
Okay. But I was facing a lot of difficulty because law of attraction says like attracts like.
हुँ,
Correct? If you think positive,
अच्छा,
you're going to get positive
हुँ,
things. But the problem is that if I am, facing something in my life, I cannot be positive.
एग्ज़ैक्टली हाँ,
Correct. If someone is going through a severe anxiety and depression, and if he wants to manifest something,
वो तो नेगेटिव ही सोचेंगे।
it is very difficult for a person to think positive all the time. So
हाँ,
I was also facing the same problem, that I was not able to remain positive 24/7, and I also started feeling scared. Ki, what if I think negative, and that will happen.
हाँ,
Similarly, with lots of people also who started with the law of attraction, they were fearful that if I think negative, negative things are going
अच्छा,
to happen. Then There is also something called as you have to raise your vibration, correct?
Okay.
And then you have to match the frequency of your desire. It was too complicated for me because you have a desire, you need to raise your vibration, you need to be positive, and you need to match the frequency of that
ये सब
desire.
क्या है?
Yeah, this is law of attraction.
अच्छा,
If you go deep into it, this is what the law of attraction
सिंपल
is.
वर्ड्स में
Huh.
अगर आप समझाएं।
Law of attraction said that like attracts like, which means to
ठीक
say
है,
if you think positive, you're going to get positive things.
ठीक है,
Imagine you want your dream car. For example,
ओके,
what's your dream car?
मे बी अ बीएमडब्ल्यू।
BMW. Okay, amazing. So if you want to have a BMW, what the
ठीक है,
person of law of attraction will do is that he'll be like, oh, you know what? I want a BMW.
एंड
And if I want a BMW, I need to think that I'm going to get a BMW.
ठीक है,
He has to be positive all the times throughout the day.
बट वो तो बहुत इम्पॉसिबल है।
हाँ, it is impossible, correct? If you are negative, then it's going to be
हाँ,
difficult for him to be like something happened. But when I found out law of assumption, it was very simple that
ओके,
whatever you assume to be true, it's going to happen.
अच्छा,
Okay. But it doesn't matter that, for example, I want a BMW. You want a BMW. You can assume that I know that I have a BMW right there standing out in my garage, and it's a brand new car. I have
ठीक है,
recently signed it, and it's all in my name. You know
ठीक
that.
है,
But something have, maybe your mother shouted at you,
ओके,
okay, or maybe your friends are very irritating today.
ठीक है,
Overall, your mood is not good.
एंड
You're feeling negative.
ठीक है,
It doesn't matter because all you're thinking is that you have your car, but your mood is low.
ओके, तो मुझे पॉजिटिव रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं बस
Absolutely.
यही सोच रही हूँ कि मेरे पास है,
Correct.
वो चीज़ हो चुकी है सच।
Yes, correct. Even with when it comes to money also, maybe a person is not having job. Okay.
ओके,
And he have so many bills to pay.
हाँ,
Overall mood
तो ये
will
सोचे
be
कि मैं बिल पे कर चुका हूँ।
absolutely, but his mood will be still low, na? That
हाँ,
some maybe his mood may not be low all the time,
ठीक
but
है,
definitely he knows that this is a situation and he will be low. So this does not matter in law of assumption.
अच्छा,
So that is why slowly I shifted to something called as law of assumption because it's very easy for us also to apply, for clients also to manifest what they want like very quickly.
अच्छा,
The results in law of assumption is really,
अच्छा,
yeah,
मतलब ये हो चुका है ऐसा आपके क्लाइंट्स में?
definitely. See, first of all, you see, as you told, most of the people do not know about manifestation, correct?
हाँ,
Whenever they come to me also for enquiries, they think that it is some witchcraft.
हाँ, मतलब कई लोग ये सोचते हैं ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है।
Correct. They think it is some magic someone is doing and all of those things. No, it's a pure science.
ओके,
Correct. You know the psychology.
हाँ,
Um, in psychology also, whatever you become as a person, it's because of your mindset, your
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
thoughts,
थॉट्स।
your subconscious beliefs. Correct. Similarly, manifestation is also about your mind.
हुँ,
It has nothing to do with some weird magic, and people will come and ask me sometimes, ma'am, ये क्या ये हो सकता है? कैसे करेंगे? आप करेंगे?
माइंड की पावर को ही तो स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है तभी तो होगा।
Absolutely. There is nothing in my hand. It's in your hand. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती
अच्छा,
हूँ किसी के लिए.
यू जस्ट
हाँ,
हेल्प देम
yeah,
कि आप अपने माइंड को ऐसा बनाइए कि
correct,
ऐसा हो जाए।
correct. So this is how manifestation works, and you saw something like quantum physics,
हाँ,
quantum manifestation.
हुँ,
People are trying to prove that in a very good way that this is actually the science. Some people call it a pseudoscience, but since you asked after 2 years of experience, you asked me whether it's real. I can say this is absolutely
रियल,
real. Because of the experience, I can say that this is science, definitely, yes, but it's magical. There are people who have healed from so many things. There are people who have become their best versions. There are people who have traveled abroad and they have got their, life they which always wanted to lead. There are people who have, paid their loans off and they're living a good life. There are people who are in no contact for years are now getting married.
थ्रू मैनिफेस्टेशन।
Yeah. So
वाओ!
I can say this is real.
आपका जो 2 साल का
Hmm.
एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, तो आपने बहुत सारे क्लाइंट से डील किया
Hmm.
होगा इस 2 इयर्स
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस में। तो कोई एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा केस शेयर कीजिए, जिसमें आपने रिजल्ट्स भी देखे हैं
Huh.
और लाइक बहुत ही डिफरेंट केस रहा हो आपके लिए?
See, most of the people who come to me are all for love.
अच्छा,
Okay. Uh,
दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट डिज़ायर।
that is the biggest desire because we are all humans, you know,
हाँ,
our birth right is love.
एंड
So why should it be
इट्स अ
difficult
नीड।
to, yeah, it's a need. How money and all of those things is a need. Love is just a basic need, and I can say it's a birthright. So there is nothing to struggle.
अच्छा,
It's all about the mindset, as I have spoken for this much time. So there are a lot of stories, but one, heart touching and interesting story of a client I can tell, not with respect to love, with respect to the health.
अच्छा,
Okay. So what happened, one girl was there in Seattle for a very long period of time.
अच्छा,
So she had come back to India, and she did not know that she has cancer.
ओके,
Okay. And when she came to India, there was some symptom that showed up. She went to the doctor, and she found out that she has been diagnosed with breast cancer.
ओके,
Okay. So that was the beginning stage. There was no surgery, and all of those things had happened. She needed some support.
ओके।
Okay. But the problem was she came to me to manifest her SP.
हाँ, लव इंटरेस्ट,
Yeah, love interest. But I told her first, your focus should be on health.
हेल्थ,
Okay. So she was diagnosed, and she was going through a very bad phase at that point of time because she never expected. She came for a holiday to, India, but it seemed that she was going through cancer. So I am a huge fan of Dr. Joe Dispenza.
वो कौन?
Becoming Supernatural. He's the author of that. Dr. Joe
अच्छा,
Dispenza is a very good, I cannot say he's a manifestation coach, but his meditations and all of those things, he's the only person I know who is trying to prove that manifestation is a pure science.
अच्छा,
Okay, so he has made a huge research on heart and brain coherence. He has made research on the energy centers, that is our
ओके,
Kundalini, and how all these things are helping in manifesting your desire,
ओके,
how going to your blank state, becoming no one, no place, no thing, how going to the void state will produce your desire very quickly.
ओके,
So there is one meditation, tuning into new potential. If you
अच्छा,
read that book, Becoming Supernatural, I suggest it to all my clients who are like there for a very long period of time
हुँ,
because it has transformed so many people's life. If you read that book, a girl, has cured her disease, plus getting out of a intense depression because she had lost her husband. It's written in that book. I thought this is the right thing for her to give to my client. So she did it continuously.
क्या
Okay.
किया?
The meditation which
अच्छा,
I have given her, I told
ओके,
her to read the book, and after that I had the meditation. I had told her, please, without a gap, without a break, if you really want to heal yourself, if you really want to get out, because she was very young, she was just 32 years old.
ओके,
32 years old lady getting a breast cancer is was not
डेवास्टेटिंग,
yeah, it was she was very dear, she is very dear to me also. So that's why I told her do it, because see, I can give hundred of things to people who should follow that. I can put a thali full of you know things for you and give it. Who
हुँ,
has to eat kushi?
आई हैव टू डू दैट,
You have to eat. So she had that dedication that yes, I will do it, ma'am,
अच्छा,
I will do it, Vanuta. She did it every single day. Okay, and then her surgery day came. It was she healed during that point of time, before the surgery.
हुँ,
But when the surgery happened, she felt low again because of the immunity and all of
ओह,
those stuff. But she did not give up there also. She kept telling what I had to do. I mean, what I told her to do in her bed also. Every single day she used to update me. I am doing this. I am doing that. So everything is possible. And after that, she came to me and she said that after maybe 2 or 4 weeks, she had to do another test. And she said, Vinuta, that you know what, they have called me for a test and I am hoping it is good. I said, you manifested it's good. She sat that day 2 whole days straight and she said, my report has to be like, everything is good.
Hmm.
And the report came that way.
Wow.
Yeah. And she also had a problem that she have to go back to the Seattle again. And she said, I want to manifest that also. And she manifested that. She went back. So I'll tell you why I like this story is because when she went back, I told her she came here, it was very unexpected for her. She
Wow.
couldn't claim the insurance and all of those things from her Seattle office. So when they went, they said no, it cannot be claimed and all of those things. She
Okay.
was like, no, I am powerful. Vinuta has taught
Power of
me
mind.
how to be powerful, and I will make sure I'll get this. So she applied it again. She gave her own reasons that it was unexpected and all of those things. 90% of her expenses, which she has done,
Insured.
insured. So that's why I love this story.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean कि results हैं इन चीजों के. It
Yes.
works.
Absolutely.
And not just in small cases, like the case जो आपने बताया, cancer and इतना बड़ा केस हुआ, ऐसी चीजों में भी काम करता है. But लोग फिर भी
Absolutely.
बिलीव नहीं करना चाहते इन चीजों पे.
नहीं, बिलीव का क्वेश्चन नहीं है इसमें. लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना चाहते. Because see, change is difficult sometimes.
हाँ.
Change is difficult.
Uncomfortable.
Change is difficult. Change is uncomfortable. But people are not willing to go through that. Do you think I became just a manifestation expert in one day? No. I had to go through my own difficulties. I had to, learn so many things.
हाँ.
I had to understand what is mine. I had to understand. So, when people come to, talk to me, do you think I won't be affected sometimes?
हाँ.
I will be, because I am also a coach. I am also
Of course.
a person. Correct? Not a coach. I am also a person. But I had to get through that uncomfortable zone to sustain as a coach. And now I know how to differentiate, a client and, being a coach. It's a learning process. Everything is a learning process. So if you want to manifest something, first thing is be ready.
Decision लेना पड़ेगा कि
Decision.
हाँ ये करना है.
Correct. Because nothing is impossible. I have my clients who have been there in no contact for 10 months, 11 months now getting married in Udaipur, Jaipur, lavish wedding. Getting proposed abroad and, having a good life. 10 months of no contact. Why did this happen? She didn't give up. She had to go through her uncomfortable things. She had to go through so many things in our house because we are all Indians. Correct? We, as a Indian girls, everything starts at 24 years of age that you need to get married. You need to find a boy. Otherwise, you have not achieved anything. All these things are very difficult, but still she persisted. Everybody, all my clients who got results, they never gave up.
तो ये डिटर्मिनेशन और परसिस्टेंस मतलब रोज लगे रहना इस पे तो ही
Correct.
काम करेगा, वरना
Absolutely.
नहीं करता.
See, it's not that varna nahi karta. For some people, as you asked me about the time, for some people it's very easy and they'll manifest within months. So I have a client who manifested her specific person just within a month. Okay.
अच्छा.
And that situation was just a friends with benefits situation. Okay. Now they're getting married. They're moving to Scotland.
Wow.
Okay. How did this happen in 1 month? Because with that girl, there was no much resistance. For her, manifesting love was easy. For her, she can get any man.
Maybe उनका self concept
Absolutely.
अच्छा होगा कि हाँ love is easy.
Yeah, but for this girl who has manifested for 9 months straight, she's been there with you for 9 months. I had to push her. I had to make her understand that this is your limiting belief.
कई लोग गिव अप कर देते होंगे कि इतना टाइम हो गया, मैनिफेस्टेशन काम नहीं करता, बेकार
Correct.
की चीज है.
Yeah. You have to identify your limiting beliefs and work on that, and then you see how easily it's going to happen.
अच्छा. तो ये जो मैनिफेस्टेशन में ऐसा भी कुछ है कि जो मैंने सुना है कि हम यूनिवर्स से बात कर रहे हैं जब हम मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और अगर ये सच है तो क्या यूनिवर्स भी हमसे बात करता है?
See, I will just ask you one simple question for you to understand this one. what is universe? Is it a spiritual thing, or can you touch it, feel it, sense it?
नहीं, बट अगर हम साइंटिफिकली देखें तो
Hmm.
यूनिवर्सेस आर
Yeah, universe,
गैलेक्सीज
yeah,
एंड ऑल.
galaxy and planet. So
हाँ,
when it comes to
बट
manifest,
स्पिरिचुअली जो हम
हाँ,
बोलते हैं कि यूनिवर्स
हाँ,
इट्स द एनर्जी, इट्स द
correct.
अल्टीमेट.
Yeah,
हम.
correct. So if I tell you about mind,
हाँ.
okay, can you touch it?
नो.
You can
माइंड.
touch your brain.
हाँ, माइंड का कोई फॉर्म नहीं है.
Correct. So what is mind? It's again a spiritual thing. Correct.
हाँ.
So universe is also a spiritual thing. Mind is also a spiritual thing.
हाँ.
So which do you want to believe in?
गुड क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक मतलब माइंड पे मैं ज्यादा बिलीव करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि वो मेरा है. आई नो इट, फेमिलियर हूँ मैं उससे.
Absolutely. So the concept of universe, okay, has started because of manifestation and all of
हाँ.
those things. People come to me and tell that मैं यूनिवर्स को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, यूनिवर्स मुझे ये नहीं देता, यूनिवर्स मुझे वो नहीं देता. Why do you want to blame universe?
तो यूनिवर्स का इसमें कोई रोल नहीं है.
Universe doesn't care what you want, what you do not want, what you manifest, what you do not want to manifest. Universe just is going to reflect what you are. So it's going to, as you said, you can talk to universe and get back, I have been there. So do you think there are some people who come to me, ma'am, I'm seeing repeating numbers all the time,
हाँ.
and they get stuck in that loop of repeating numbers. Why? Because they are manifesting repeating numbers. So these concepts are there, okay, but I totally believe in my
माइंड.
subconscious mind, because both are, spiritual, and you cannot see both, but what do you want to believe in?
तो ये क्या ये भी होता है जो हम बोलते हैं कि ये मत बोलो,
Hmm.
यूनिवर्स में पता, यूनिवर्स में मत छोड़ो ये बात
हाँ,
बोल के, लाइक
correct.
मेरे साथ ये हो जाएगा गलत,
हाँ.
तो ये मत बोलो बिकॉज यूनिवर्स लिसन्स, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं.
See, that is what, there is a lot of
बट दैट इज
concept.
मे बी आवर माइंड लिसनिंग.
Yeah, absolutely. It's all about your mind, okay? Because to be very honest, Kushi, I have done all these things.
हाँ.
You know what? I was looking for signs at a particular point of time. I was also thinking that why universe doesn't love me, why it always gives me all of these things,
हाँ.
and I was following the numbers. I made a research on repeating numbers,
अच्छा.
and what happened one day? I went to a supermarket and someone threw a paper, just a paper,
अच्छा.
and I just picked it up. And when I saw, it was 111.11. It was a bill. So even after that, my manifestation did not come true.
अच्छा.
It's not only my situation, I'm talking about what the viewers can relate to me. They are seeing repeating numbers everywhere, but still they are not getting what they want.
हाँ.
So it is not about the universe, it's not about the repeating numbers, it's about you. I had not changed myself that time.
बट नाउ टेकिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ योर माइंड
Yes.
इज
So
हाउ.
it is very difficult for people will cross all this stage. Some people, do you know this concept had come, twin flames?
नहीं.
Twin flame, soulmate, and all of
हाँ.
those
अच्छा.
things.
सोलमेट.
So soulmate, twin flame, people were going with that concept also, that there is one twin flame, and we have to go through difficulties and then he will come back, and they take hundreds of tarot readings because they want to know whether this person is going to come back, whether the universe is going to give me. No, there are a lot of people who are stuck in this situation for years.
अच्छा.
Yes. All you have to believe is in yourself, and you see how easy your life is going to become. You are the universe, you are the God, you are the
Okay.
infinite intelligence, you are the higher power. This is what I have decided.
अच्छा.
And this is what I am teaching to my clients also, because I see a lot of people have come stuck with those kind of situations. And I always say this sentence: if you don't know the taste of gulab jamun, I cannot, if I don't know the taste of gulab jamun, I cannot tell you how it tastes. Correct? If I don't experience it, how can I tell you, Kushi?
डू यू बिलीव इन सोलमेट्स?
No.
यू डोंट?
No.
तो अगर सोलमेट नहीं है
Hmm.
तो एनीबॉडी कैन बी विद एनीबॉडी, कोई किसी के
Absolutely.
साथ भी प्यार कर सकता है.
Absolutely.
एंड अगर वो इंसान सही है, गलत है, वो तो सिचुएशन पे डिपेंड करता
Yeah,
है, बट आप उस इंसान को मैनिफेस्ट करवा सकते हो।
absolutely. See, the thing is, everybody is my mirror reflection. Okay.
सच।
And you see, change is the only constant. Correct? Change is the only constant. You may think that, oh, this person doesn't have all the qualities I want,
हाँ,
but still I like him.
हाँ,
He may change in few days how you
हाँ,
want, because now you think that this is the best person for me.
करेक्ट।
He is everything for me. He is the ideal match for me. He's going to become that person for you. So it doesn't matter who you want to manifest, it's your choice.
अच्छा।
Okay, some people come to me, ma'am, I saw this guy on matrimony and I saw this guy on, some dating apps. I want him. I do not have any, much qualities that are matching. Can I be with him? I do tell that it is your choice.
कि तुम्हें रहना है या नहीं रहना।
Correct. If it is your choice, then it is going to take some time for him to become that version of
हुँ,
what you are expecting.
हाँ,
Correct. If a person who is dumb, do not know anything, how to write, and he is very poor in studies,
हुँ,
can he become intelligent overnight? No.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
Similarly, changing that person is a process, and in that process you also should change.
अच्छा,
So everything is a choice, what you want to manifest. And ultimately, if you want to get that, you need to stick to that choice. You cannot be like, ma'am, this is not happening and this is not real. No, it is real. It is going to happen. But are you willing to stick to that?
अच्छा।
So many people who have stick to that are now seeing the best versions of their SP and they're really happily married together.
अगेन वही डिटर्मिनेशन रखना है, हर दिन काम करना है इस
Yeah.
चीज़ पे।
Yeah.
इट्स द सेम थिंग।
Yes.
अच्छा। तो ये जो मतलब मैंने भी कई बार बोला है एंड हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में ये चीज़ करता ही है कि मेरी तो किस्मत ही खराब है,
Hmm.
या मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता,
Hmm.
या मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है।
Hmm.
मतलब हम ऐसी नेगेटिव बातें
Hmm.
इतनी ईज़िली अपने मुँह से निकाल देते हैं, बट हमें उनका कॉन्सिक्वेंस नहीं पता,
Hmm.
बिकॉज़ यू नेवर नो कि वो चीज़ सच कब हो जाएगी।
Hmm.
तो इफ अगर मैं कह रही हूँ मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है, या
Hmm.
मेरे मेरे पास पैसा नहीं आता, रुकता नहीं है मेरे पास
Hmm.
पैसा, तो क्या ये चीज़ भी मैं मैनिफेस्ट कर लेती हूँ बोल के?
Absolutely. Everything, as I told you, when the moment you are constantly keep on telling something over and over again, it's going to happen. Okay. I also believe that nothing is predetermined. Okay.
अच्छा,
Everything is determined by you. You create your destiny
बाय योर एक्शंस।
by your actions, by your beliefs. Okay. So if this person is now thinking that I am not lucky, and if he
हुँ,
comes to me for coaching,
हुँ,
okay, I will make sure that he becomes lucky.
अच्छा,
Okay.
तो यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट लक।
Absolutely, absolutely. There is something called as lucky girl syndrome.
अच्छा,
Yeah, it is very famous in YouTube in the law of assumption community. You just have to keep on telling that I am lucky. I'm the most lucky girl. I get everything I want. I am beautiful. Luck is my, it happens instantly.
और वो होगा।
Yes, there is something called as lucky girl syndrome. It became very famous last year. And every girl, whenever people come to me, I also teach this luck thing. Also, I send very particular videos regarding this so that they will learn and
अच्छा,
come back to me. So, luck is in your hands. Absolutely.
ओके। ये मैंने नई चीज़ जानी है कि
Hmm.
लक भी मैनिफेस्ट हो सकता है।
Yes.
आई थॉट हम अपना लक लिखवा के आते हैं।
नहीं, नहीं. Luck आप ही खुद लिखते हैं. There is nothing called as written. No, you write
अच्छा,
it. Maybe certain things like, numerology, astrology, and all of those things, they enhance your luck.
ओके।
Maybe like, someone wants to, change their name.
हुँ,
Okay. Not because their luck is not good or something.
हुँ,
Okay. They want to make their life even more better.
ओके।
But ultimately, as Sir has spoken in the last podcast, everything is about mind. Correct? You can, just because you change the name and sit in this sofa, nothing is going to happen.
हुँ,
You have to get up and you have to do certain works. You have to fix your mind that I'm going to reach there.
हाँ,
So, all this numerology, astrology, and certain other things are
हुँ,
going to enhance your manifestations. It's maybe going to speed up your manifestation even better.
अच्छा,
So that is why everything works hand in hand. If you really want to believe in yourself, definitely you can. And if you want to go to all these other things which you want to involve in your life, spirituality, some other, numerology, astrology, you're almost, always welcome.
अच्छा.
You can do that.
So you support these astrology, numerology
I really
sciences?
support. I really support. But
अच्छा,
everything starts with you. You
with the
need to
mind.
decide that yes, this is what is going. And it is very funny. Once you decide and then go to an astrologer, the astrologer is going to say the same thing back to you.
अच्छा,
Absolutely same thing. I have seen this a lot of time, and I have heard this coming from my clients also. So
ओके,
everybody is a mirror reflection of you. We call it everyone is you pushed out.
ओके.
It's another term of law of assumption. So it's easy. It's easy to manifest your luck. It's easy to manifest through numerology, astrology, and all of those things. And tarot reading also.
अच्छा,
So I also do tarot reading, but
ओके.
yeah, I don't. I learned especially tarot reading to understand the limiting beliefs of people.
Limiting beliefs as in?
For example, a person or client comes to me, okay, and then he do not know what his actual problems are.
Okay.
Correct? We may need a certain time, or maybe one session, two session, three session, but still he's not understanding what is actually wrong with him, what is actually blocking his manifestation.
जो उनकी मैनिफेस्टेशन को रोक रहा है, वो
Correct.
सोच,
Correct.
वो थॉट.
Yes. So what is tarot is not a future telling or fortune telling thing
अच्छा,
for me. Okay. um, Tarot is just an amazing tool for me psychologically to understand the limiting beliefs of a person.
ये बहुत नया पर्सपेक्टिव है
Hmm,
टैरो का.
correct. Tarot, there are different versions of tarot people are
अच्छा,
following. So what I followed is a psychological version.
ओके.
So the end goal of a person is what he is going to desire. Maybe he wants to marry with a specific person. Maybe he wants to get a job, this kind of job. So I see what is blocking this kind of you know
टैरो के
things.
थ्रू.
Yeah, because tarot is nothing but your subconscious beliefs getting in the table through cards.
बाहर आ जाते हैं.
Yes, you see, whatever you're thinking only, it's going to get in the tarot.
अच्छा,
Whatever your dominant thoughts are is going to be in your tarot.
इन द कार्ड्स जो
In the
खुल रहे हैं.
cards. In the
बट
cards.
देन अगेन यहाँ पे यूनिवर्स नहीं आ जाता जो कार्ड्स खुल रहे हैं.
वही मैं बता रही हूँ. I believe in my universe, my mind.
अच्छा,
So, uh, my mind, or the person who is sitting in front of me, I'm just a medium who is getting all the thoughts from his mind
ऑन द टेबल.
on the table. That's it. This is a very important part. Lots of people don't even know what is their limiting belief. Okay, once you identify, when you go to a doctor, and if the doctor do not know what's the problem, how does he give the medicine?
हाउ.
Correct. So if I have to give the solution to them, I need to know the problem.
कहाँ पे इशू आ रहा है.
Yeah, and sometimes when they don't tell the problem, I cannot give the solution.
ओके.
So that time tarot is the way to go.
ठीक है, तो माइंड की बात हुई.
Hmm.
तो माइंड को लेके एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट मेरे दिमाग में मेंटल हेल्थ बहुत
Hmm.
ऊपर आती है.
Hmm.
तो क्या ये मैनिफेस्टेशन की जो आपकी प्रैक्टिस है,
Hmm.
इसमें आप मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी फोकस करते हैं और कैसे ये मेंटल हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करती है, इम्प्रूव करती है या फिर मे बी खराब करती है?
My first priority is mental health.
या
Nothing at the cost of your peace of mind. Nothing. Because a person who has gone through certain things mentally will only know how important is your mental health. So certain people who are coming to me, they have practiced a lot of manifestation before and all of those things, and they will be like, it's very difficult, and throughout the day I need to think about the desire and all of those things. I'm going
Okay.
crazy, affirming all those things 1,000 times and a million times. I'm going crazy. So during that point of time, I tell them to hold on.
अच्छा.
Okay. I explain them that why is this desire so important for you?
ओके.
Okay. Is it much more important than your, yourself?
योर
Okay.
पीस ऑफ माइंड.
Because the people are losing themselves on the verge of trying to get something. Okay. So here what I will do is that first I will tell them that You are important. The mental health is important. Um, Forget about whatever is happening in your life. First, start focusing on this. Okay. So once they are steady, then I tell them to
ओके
follow certain
तो
things.
अगर किसी की मेंटल हेल्थ सही नहीं है
Hmm.
तो दे कैन नॉट मैनिफेस्ट
They can absolutely manifest. A person who has got promotion in someone's office, or your office or something, does it mean that he's completely healed?
नो
No. He got it because of his own assumptions and thoughts.
ओके
Correct? But what after getting job?
खुश
So
भी तो रहेंगे
yes, so mental health is important to sustain your job, sustain your relationship, because maybe after he gets into job, working overtime and all of those things is going to maybe uh, put him even more down.
तो मैनिफेस्टेशन का रिजल्ट तो मिल जाएगा बट अगर मेंटल हेल्थ सही नहीं है तो रिजल्ट किस काम का एंड
Absolutely.
वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है अगर हमें कुछ चाहिए रिजल्ट
Yeah.
एंड उस चीज़ को अगर हमें इंजॉय करना है
Yes.
तो मेंटल हेल्थ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फर्स्ट
Yes. So I always tell that your mental health is amazing. If you follow that, the byproduct of you being happy, the byproduct of you being the best version is going to be all the desires which you were focusing on. Automatically your SP will come back. Automatically you
अच्छा
will get that car which you wanted to. Automatically you'll get that money.
अच्छा
So you should understand that your focus should be on you.
ओके
The byproduct will be your manifestation which you're focusing on. So there are a lot of things, Kushi, like lot of things. There is depth to go
इट्स अ
even more.
ह्यूज वर्ल्ड
It's a huge world because see, even when I started this, I took some time. I actually read all the books. I went. The thing with me is that I go deep in everything.
ओके
So when it came to this topic, I was very much interested in this because um, since childhood or someone, everybody likes to share their problems with me because when I talk to them, they find peace.
सम पीपल
Yeah.
हैव दैट वे
Yeah, so I was like, why can't I be a psychologist? When I was doing my degree, I was like, oh, I should have been a psychologist. I chose something different. But ultimately, when the corona came and all of those things, when I had so much time, I had some time to divert my focus into all this mind and spirituality and all
ओके
of those things. That was really interesting for me.
ओके
And it became more interesting when I started applying it and when I started seeing results. And it became even more interesting when I started teaching people and when they started getting results. So, this is my whole thing.
तो हमने मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में तो सारी जो 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 हम जान सकते थे
Hmm.
हमने जान लिया बट वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर
Yeah.
एंड द फ्यूचर इज कि 2025
Hmm.
नया साल आ रहा
Hmm.
है एंड न्यू ईयर इज ऑल अबाउट न्यू रिजल्ट्स न्यू थिंग्स
Hmm.
बेटर लाइफ
Yeah.
तो क्या 2025 कैसा ईयर रहेगा मैनिफेस्टेशन के लिए
It's all about your decision.
हाँ
First of all, if you decide that 2025 is going to be an amazing year for me, I am going to get all the wealth and abundance. I am going to get married in 2025. I am going to get my dream car in 2025. It's going to happen absolutely the same thing.
एंड इफ वी स्टार्ट राइट नाउ
Right now is a good time. But I would say that if you really want to manifest some good things in 2025, do it in December end.
अच्छा
Okay. So what you can do is you can write down a letter to yourself.
ओके
Yeah. And the way to write down that letter is that maybe you can write down the date, that 31st, 12, 2025. But you're writing it in 2024.
अच्छा
Okay. You're writing in 2024, addressing that I am so happy and grateful now that I have achieved so many things in 2025. 2025 has been amazing year for me, and a lot of abundance and growth has happened. Unexpected money came to me, and I met few amazing people, and I exactly manifested what I want. Okay, you're writing this in 2024 December,
ओके
and you just keep it somewhere.
एनीवे
Anyway, just fold it. This is a letter for yourself. Keep it.
ओके
And now open it on the 31st of 2025.
31st of December 2025
2025.
ओके
You will see, you have to do this, Kushi, and you will
Okay.
call me and say that, Vinuta, you know what? Most of the things which I have written have manifested, or all of the things which I have written have manifested.
Okay.
It will happen because I know you're a dedicated girl, and definitely you're going to take action towards what you're
Yeah.
writing. Just you're writing and sitting, you know that.
हाँ,
You're also going to take actions
action.
in 2025 for that whole 12 months. And definitely I will be
ओके,
there to listen that.
ठीक है। मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन इसी
Hmm.
को कंटिन्यू करते हुए कि 5 टॉप सीक्रेट्स
Hmm.
टू मैनिफेस्ट
Hmm.
हेल्थ,
Hmm.
वेल्थ, सक्सेस,
Hmm.
लव, एनीथिंग
Hmm.
इन 2025?
The top secrets, there is no secrets. Everything is available in YouTube and all of those things. But one thing is, um, you need to script down. Okay, this is a letter for yourself, which I told you before. You have to script down every single day how your year is going to be. Okay,
अच्छा,
most of them will not tell this. Okay, second and the easiest thing, and this is a secret definitely,
अच्छा,
you need to make a vision board.
ओके,
Okay,
कैसे?
make a vision board for yourself. Maybe take pictures of Kushi, doing her 100th episode, or Kushi traveling to London, and Kushi getting her degree and earning this much of money. Make small pictures of
ओके,
any internet images which you get. Okay, and stick it somewhere where you can see.
ओके,
Make a collage of that.
ओके,
Okay, because whenever you see something over and over again, subconsciously your mind is going to accept that.
हाँ,
Okay, and you can do the collage like that, or easiest way, this is the secret actually, you make a vision board in your phone.
ओके,
Okay, make a vision board in your phone, and make a lock screen also of anything which you want immediately.
ओके,
Immediately in 2025, I want this, and I am very focused on getting this. Make it a lock screen.
ठीक है,
You will get it. Definitely.
ठीक
So
है,
this is the second thing, because vision boards are very powerful, and easiest way you can do is make a Pinterest board.
हाँ,
Go there and find some images, and make a image board in the Pinterest, and keep looking at it every day, and you
ठीक
will
है,
see most of them's happening. Because my friend recently messaged me and told, like, it's not even completed, December is not yet there, 3 4 odd months to go, and 3/4 of my desires is already done.
ऑलरेडी
Because already over, because of the vision board. So vision boards are really very powerful.
पावरफुल।
Yeah.
ठीक है, मैं आपको दिसंबर 2025 में कॉल करूँगी।
Absolutely. I'm literally it's done for me.
ओके।
Kushi has already called, and she has told all her success stories. Because me as a coach, I also manifest for people. I have to live
अच्छा,
in the end for people. If a client comes to me and tells certain problems, and tell that this is a problem for me, it's like she's healed, she's healthy, she's married, it's done. So
ओके,
I also co-create with my clients.
ओके, वाओ!
Yeah. So third thing is that you can do your mirror work. Okay.
ओके, हाँ,
Every single day in 2025, if you want to manifest your desire quickly, go to the mirror the first thing in the
ओके,
morning. Talk to yourself. I am proud of myself. I am successful. I am the most beautiful woman. I am just 60 kgs, 50 kgs. I am earning this much amount of money. First thing in the morning, the brain waves are literally very slow. You are in the theta state.
हाँ,
Whatever you say, it's going to happen. And if you say it continuously every single day, no doubt, it's a sure short thing for you.
ओके,
Yeah. So that's it. And rest two things are nothing but keep your mental diet clean and have a good inner conversation. Your 2025 is going to be amazing. Everybody's 2025 is going to be amazing, because right now when I'm giving you the tip, it means to say you have to do it every single day. Don't give up on it. There
yeah,
are people going through certain situations, going through certain circumstances. Everybody are going through one or the other thing. That doesn't mean that it's over. No.
ठीक है,
Forget that situation, forget that circumstances, follow it without a gap. And then you will
रोज़
see.
करना है।
Consistency is the key to everything. Persistent,
आई
being
एग्री।
consistent, and a little bit of dedication. That's it. Your life will be amazing. Anybody can go from, zero to hero. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। बहुत ब्यूटीफुल एपिसोड था एंड आई मैनिफेस्ट कि ये एपिसोड हिट जाएगा।
Absolutely. Even me, even me,
या
it's done for
वी
me.
मैनिफेस्टेड टुगेदर
Yeah.
एंड थैंक यू ऑडियंस जिन्होंने हमारे साथ एंड तक ये एपिसोड देखा। आई होप इट वाज अ ग्रेट एपिसोड फॉर यू एज वेल। सो एवरी फ्राइडे 9 PM नमा टॉक्स पे नया एपिसोड आएगा। कीप वॉचिंग, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।
रख दे तू कोई दिल विच गल्लां रब दिया बंदिया तू सब जाने अपने अंदर लेके तुरदा क्यों फिक्रां विच पल तू गवा